Have you came across a client whose eyebrows hair growth are upwards, and as an artist you really don't know how to do the treatment? In this video I will show you exactly how to do upper spine microblading pattern on latex. If you want to learn more about upper spine pattern, then stay till the end and subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post new video every week. Welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. I'm Taiyaba, First P Academy Master in Canada. I have been in permanent makeup industry since 2012. I'm really happy to share my tips and tricks with you all. Let's practice. Do you want to learn more advanced microblading patterns? Give me a yes down below. Now you have learned basic and advanced microblading upper spine pattern in detail. If you liked and learned new technique from this video, give me a like down below and share with your friends so both of you can practice together. And if you want to learn microblading spine 3 pattern, watch this video and subscribe to my channel for new microblading and permanent makeup tips every week. If you have any questions about upper spine technique, let me know down below. See you next week with new microblading, headstroke patterns and tips. Bye for now.